Okay, we're working on the F-150 this morning, and we've got Bruce here. Bruce is going to help us out. Once again, we want to keep the patina, but we want it to be smooth and reflect the light like a paint job. So we got Bruce here. What's the name of your company, Bruce?
It is Autographs.
Autographs, all right. And what do you do?
Mostly I do dent repair. I also do pinstripes. I may have put this one on back in the day. I don't know, but I do that. And you can see I've already, by flattening out that A-frame right there, all that came out. So we're just dealing with that.
All right. So you can help people out. How do they get in touch with you?
Oh, you can Google me.
Google them.
Yeah, dent repair.
All right. Sounds good. So we'll keep an eye on Bruce as he flattens out our truck for us to get it ready for a little bit of extra shiny.
What is that?
It's just hot glue and a pull tab. Hopefully I can pull some more of the depth out, because you got a dent above this line and a dent below that line now. So I'm gonna try to get that out just a little bit more, but ultimately I'm gonna have to get the tools back here.
What's that for?
Which one? This?
Yep.
This is a light reflector, or a reflecting board. So I kind of look at the dent, see that right there, and it helps me to see if something's high or low. Next up, our door holder opener. Next up, tappity tap. Gotta knock down the crown. It's kind of like another A-frame. It's gonna be all pinchy.
To add another joint.
Gotta lock that down. Another hole. Here we go. Don't look. This is going to hurt a little bit.